What's going on, guys? In this video we are going to see how to build a basic calculator using Java programming. Here first I'm going to import scanner. To do that I put import right here, import java.util.scanner. So here I just imported the scanner. After that I'm going to write a class. Since I have named this one as coffee.java, I'm going to put the name as public class, and the name should be exactly as the name we created. So here I put coffee, and in this curly bracket we put our function, that's public static void main. Inside of this main parenthesis we are going to put string args and a square bracket, and after that I put a curly bracket right here, and inside of this curly bracket I put scanner, and you can name anything as you want. I am going to put my name, that's Tiliban, that's equal to new scanner system.in, and I'm going to introduce some double type of variable, because to get the accuracy it's better to introduce double. You can also use integer, but if you use integer you want to get the fraction values. So I'm going to introduce this one as double. So let's put double right here, fnum, snum, and answer. And first I put system.out print line, and then enter the first num, okay, fnum is equal to Tiliban dot next double, and then system dot out print line, enter second num, okay, then snum is equal to Tiliban dot next double, and after that now we take this bracket out. Okay, now after that I'm going to create the equation for the addition. Answer is equal to fnum plus snum, and finally we want to print out the answer, that is system dot out print line answer, and that's it. Now this one should work. There's an error showing in the beginning. Let's see what is that. Import java.util.scanner. I didn't put a semicolon, that's the error. Okay, semicolon, that's it. Now let's go ahead and run this one. Okay, enter the first num. Let's put some random numbers, let's say 56.3. enter the second num, let's put something like 78. enter the second num, something wrong here. Let me compile again. Compile and run. Enter the first num. Let's put 45. Enter the second num. Let's put 58.7. And here you can see it's adding these two numbers, and we have created the basic calculator. And as like this, you can do the multiplication, division, subtraction, and all the other operation using this pattern. All you have to do is just change this one. Plus into minus, or multiplication is asterisk, division is a backslash. Like that you can do everything like a calculator, basic calculator. I hope you guys find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and if you're trying to learn Java programming, there are a bunch of videos in my playlist. I hope you guys watch that too, and don't forget to subscribe. See you next time. And also, if you are trying to access these codes, it's in my blogger. I put the link of my blogger in the description, so you can go ahead and watch it. Thank you.